I'm going to show you what I'm going to pack to go for at least 3 months to Thailand. We're going to use, in this case, a hand luggage bag from Deuter. No product placement, but I love this bag. It's so comfortable and you can roll it. So you even have a day bag, so it's really fitting in every situation. So we're going to start with the basic stuff. 7 pairs of socks, 10 pairs of underwear. In this case, like, you don't really need 10 pairs of underwear, but in Thailand somehow the underwear is getting lost. So prepare for it that on your travel, when you bring it to laundry, that you're gonna lose some of your underwears. Yeah, just be aware of it. Then we come to my shirts and tank tops. Those are like 7 different shirts. One I'm gonna wear on the flight. So overall I'm gonna have 8 shirts with me, including tank tops. Then 1 long pants, like 1 pants for like if you are planning to go to a rooftop bar or some fancy restaurant, it's good to have at least 1 pair of like proper pants with you. Okay, we come to the most important stuff, short pants. In my case, 3 times short pants and 1 swimming pants. If you are all the time in the south of Thailand, for example, I would recommend to have 2 swimming pants, but you can always buy some in Thailand, so don't worry about this too much. Now we come to my gear for the flight. Some comfortable joggies and 1 big hoodie. The good thing is I don't need to pack them in my backpack, but the bad thing is in Thailand I have to, or you leave it in Bangkok or whatever. But in my case I'm gonna carry those around. The most important part, the passport. Don't forget the passport and make at least 1 copy in case you are renting a scooter or something. It's good to have a copy in place, and if you have the choice between giving your passport to rent a scooter or paying a deposit, like 2,000, 3,000 baht, definitely pay the deposit. If there are like any troubles, you should have your passport. This is my bag of shavers, so yeah, 2 shavers, charger, toothbrush, sunscreen. For sunscreen we recommend to take them with you from wherever you come from, because in Thailand sunscreen is quite expensive. It's still fine, but it's kind of hard to find something without whitening. So yeah, better take it with you. Doesn't need to be much, right? So no problem with this. Deo. And one special thing about when you have troubles with mosquitoes or ants or sandflies or whatever wants to eat you in Thailand, I can really recommend Antibum. It's expensive, but it is doing the job. Usually you can find like anti-mosquito stuff in 7-Eleven, no problem, but if you have allergy or something like this, Antibum, it helps. So, one special tip. This is usually for skiing. Yeah, you don't really need it, but when you're there in the off-season and you're driving a lot of scooters, especially in the mountains in the north of Thailand, I can really recommend to have it. It doesn't take much space, but yeah, it's super warm, super easy, super light, so yeah, can recommend. And if you have, we're also gonna link it down below, travel bags. So they are like this, and you can open them and close them here, and you can also let out the air inside, which makes it like vacuum. So yeah, it reduces space, helps you organizing your stuff. Here in the back are right now just like painkillers and so on, just yeah, emergency bag. Let's call it like this. So, as you could see, everything fitted in this hand luggage bag. Still some space, and in my case I'm gonna even pack my laptop and my charger. So if you have some problems with weight, because right now it should be fine for hand luggage, but one special thing about hand luggage is they are not allowed to count your laptop and electronic devices at weight. So if they say it's too much, start complaining about that you have your laptop with you and so on. So they're gonna most likely let it go, at least in my situations. But yeah, that's just a small tip. And yeah, one thing I wanted to point out is in Thailand, if you're a smoker of e-cigarettes or IQOS, it's highly illegal. So you can get through the airport with it, I guess, but yeah, just be aware of that they can take it off you in the airport, or if you're in the country and they see you smoking, prepare for a fine because it's just not allowed to smoke those things in Thailand. I hope it was helpful for you. And as you can see, like more than enough space in hand luggage, and I'm gonna be there for at least 3 months. And if you need something you forgot, for example, it's easy to buy. They even have some kind of Amazon, so don't worry about it. Just don't take too much stuff with you. It's a mistake, like most of the people do when they come to the first time to Asia. But it's really not necessary. It's most of the time super warm, so you're anyway ending up in short clothing. So yeah, see you in the next one.
Can we just keep it on the low, girl? Yeah. Can we just keep it on the low, girl? Yeah. Can we just keep it on